Why is YouTube not working? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If your YouTube is not working, there could be various reasons depending upon the device and the specific issue you're encountering. Some of the common reasons of issues could be the internet connectivity, browser or device issues, YouTube server status, software or app issues, or account issues. Some of the troubleshooting steps if you are using an Android are: update the YouTube app. For this, you have to go to Play Store, go to the search bar and type in YouTube. Once that is done, make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube installed. If not, you have to reinstall the YouTube app. For this, uninstall the app once and then reinstall it using or searching it on the Play Store. The third solution would be checking for the system updates. You have to make sure that your device operating system is up to date. If this does not work, also check the internet connectivity and switch the accounts and networks. Sometimes the YouTube might not be working due to the YouTube server status. For this, you can visit Down Detector or Is It Down Right Now to check if YouTube is experiencing outages. In that case, you'll have to wait and there is no solution that you can apply. Hopefully, this was an informative tutorial. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.